Good morning, welcome to the dyno room today. I've decided to come in front of the camera today rather than being the voice behind it, so we'll see how that goes. Today we've got our trusty MK Indy back in the dyno room. This is fitted with a standard 2.5 litre Duratec engine that you'll have seen on our other videos, previously doing 215 horsepower, 220 foot-pounds of torque on our individual throttle body kit and an ME221. So we made a couple of changes. One very minor change, we've now got our lovely CNC velocity stacks on there rather than the spun ones. A little bit more costly but very nice indeed. You can purchase those on our website. But the main change today is that we've fitted a set of phase 2 cams to this. So they're VCT cams, so that we keep the variable valve timing, but obviously a bit higher lift, a bit longer duration. So we're going to just do a bit of mapping and see what improvements we can get. Previously, if I just spin us round, we can see here on the graph, it did 215 horsepower, 220 foot-pound of torque at that point there, sort of 215-ish there, 220 there. So a nice power curve, very good for a stock engine, but let's see if we can make some improvements. So we're expecting, you would hope, that this will fall somewhere in between this power and the power that our Fiesta did, which was 250 horsepower with a ported head and a bit of mapping, and we'll see what we can get out of it. Fun times. So we've been busy doing a bit of mapping and a bit of tweaking of these cams. We've got some very pleasing results out of this. So again, this is fitted with a set of phase 2 cams, other than that standard on our 50mm throttle bodies. Played about with some trumpet lengths, didn't particularly want to change, so we've stuck with the 70mm long trumpets there. And yeah, it's done really well as this car. We've had a lot of problems with grip because these cars are so light on the back. It's not really an ideal dyno test car, so we've swapped to some slicks, and actually, although slicks don't normally work on a dyno, in this instance they've done pretty well because there's a lot more contact area, get them nice and warm, and we could get some grip. And so the results, old versus new, we've got 240 brake horsepower and just have a look, peak torque of 227 foot-pounds. So overall you can see we've gained about 10 foot. We've basically not lost much. We've lost a little bit very low down here at 3,500 revs. We're not too fussed about that, but it's picked up 10 foot-pounds from there, moving all the way along. But then it obviously really starts to take off at about 5,000 revs, where the other one was starting to die off. So yeah, it's carried right on up to 240 brake horsepower. So yeah, that's cracking. So that's our cam upgrade basically on an otherwise standard engine on 50mm throttle bodies. So yeah, get in touch if you want that sort of upgrade. If you want one of these engines, we've got crate engines and we've got used engines all available in various sort of specifications. Visit our website, drop us a message. Thanks very much.